Let me introduce you to the Tineco Carpet One Smart Carpet Cleaner. I'm going to be unboxing it. I'm going to be using it on my stairs in all of my rooms. I'm going to be showing you what the net result is, and I'm going to explain to you what's good about it and if there's any weaknesses. Now, the best way to show you is just to take it out of the box and show you all the components. You're going to be basically getting a fully assembled carpet cleaner, and all you got to do is attach the tank and the wand. Now, the tank is going to be quite interesting because it's different. You're going to be attaching it directly to the base, and the base and the wand are going to be operating independently of each other. And that's because this is coming with some features that are unique, at least unique for this Tineco Smart Carpet Cleaner. It's going to be coming with this smart sensing, which is using the iLoop smart dust sensor that Tineco uses in most of their carpet cleaners and floor cleaners. You also have the 1300 watt high suction power with no dirty residue tank, which is cranking out 130 AW suction watts, and it's coming with the heated wash technology. So it's equipped with a PTC heater and a temperature controller, so it's going to maintain about 104 degree precise water temperature to help remove stains, and it's also going to allow you to clean the stains easier. One feature that we don't see mentioned that often is that the Smart Power Dry water extraction feature on your Tineco Smart Carpet Cleaner is going to allow hot air to blow on the carpet so it dries faster. And it does that all by itself because it comes with the iLoop and Dry Now smart sensor that's going to be detecting how soggy the carpet is, and is also going to be detecting it on the dryness meter on the display screen. And when you recline the Tineco wand, you can see how it moves around. The dirty water tank is attached to the base. It does not move with your wand. And it's easy to remove because it removes it independently. You have your own push button for it.
Auto mode. Please check the dirty water tank.
Using your Tineco means you're going to be using the two buttons up top. There's 4 operating modes that come with your Tineco. It's going to have a max mode, which is going to give you the deepest and most powerful stain removal tools for your carpet. You have an auto mode, which automatically adjusts suction power and water volume according to the cleanliness level. You're going to have an accessory mode, so that's when you just attach your hose and your stain removal tool so you can do your upholstery as well as car interiors and your stairs. And you have a dry mode that's going to be blowing 167 degree Fahrenheit air onto your carpet so it dries faster. And if you look at my white carpet here, we are removing all of the dirt and debris inside. Stuff that you don't even get to see with your own eyes. We're going to show you at the end. And having the option to use my own carpet cleaner versus rent one from Home Depot or Lowe's makes life a lot easier. A front-facing view of the Tineco will show that all of the pockets as well as the brush roll are going to be clear, but it's opaque. The plastic is opaque, so you're going to be able to see the action, but you're not going to be like, oh wow, what color is it, because it's hidden through the opaque. This is going to be a personal choice. Some people like it clear window and some people like a little bit hidden. Now, I prefer it hidden just because it makes me feel like when I store it, it's going to look cleaner. It's easy to connect your Tineco to the Tineco app. I have a number of Tinecos, and all you got to do is select the model, which is going to be on the Carpet One Smart Carpet Cleaner. You select it, and then you're going to be connecting to it via a scan of the code on the back of your unit. Once you're connected, then it does all the rest for you. You're going to have voice prompt and app connectivity, which is going to allow you to clean your carpet and control the carpet suction power directly on your app. And you're going to be able to see which mode it's in, and as well as get notifications for your Tineco Carpet One. It's still limited in its features, but I'm quite excited with what they can roll out because this is one of the only carpet cleaners we've ever seen with an app. So let's take a look at how you set this up for upholstery or stair clean mode. You're just going to be opening up your clean water tank, add in your water, and then add in your solution. Tineco recommends you use Tineco only solution, and we're going to be using it on our stairs. And similar to many of the carpet cleaners you might have tried, and no review will be complete without some cons. I noticed that the dirty water tank, you got to take care to make sure to clip it back in. The front cover on the base is quite large, which makes it a little bit heavy to clean when you have to remove. One thing I want to just make sure you know is that when you empty this, make sure you re-clip this little component inside the dirty water tank. Make sure you clip that in. If you do not click it in, the sensor will not know that the dirty water tank is clean, and it will tell you that you can't operate your machine because the dirty water tank is dirty. So make sure you empty it and then you put that back in its right place. And this is the waste product from all that carpet cleaning. It's going to be for a room about 400 square feet on one single tank. That's how much solution that we used. And we're excited for what Tineco brought to the market. They brought a carpet cleaner that works. It is original. It is new. We can't wait to see what they come up with next. So for The French Glow, this is David with The French Glow signing off. I'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.